we can see this is another side of this park, where we can see that these artists are sitting here. They will create your picture. And this is another waterfall of rock garden. And Swastika has seen the doctor's set on the entry. So right now she is just asking for the doctor's set from her cousin. You know, it's very difficult to travel with the children, because if they see something, they just ask you every time, and sometimes it's very annoying that when they ask a lot. See, here it is the beauty of rock garden. You know, here is very slippery at one point, but always take, you know, it is very hard to walk on this rock. Even it is very, I would like to say, with hills, it is very hard to walk on these kind of roads or track. I have visited this park in 2018 with my cousins, and I'm just, you know, those memories are just hitting inside my mind, and I'm feeling very happy because I love to explore the things. And as you can see, nowadays the garden has changed a lot, because a lot of construction is going on here. And but I would like to say that the beauty of this garden is perfect. And you can see, although it is not so rainy today, but you know, due to humidity, there is a lot of sweat on my face. It's mean that yes, I am sweating right now. Swastika, her papa and Chevy is moving ahead of me, and I am here. You know, some of people while taking their pics, this one lady got slipped. Always be aware when you are taking any photograph or videography in this type of area where, you know, there is a alga or slippery, so be aware. Taking his own photo, because I have told him that you have to take your own photo. No one is responsible for taking your photo, because I am busy in shooting this video. And so I told him, please do your own photo shoot. See, this is the beauty of this rock garden. So guys, I just went to one corner and Dhanyawad. And yeah, Dhanyawad. Oh, Dhanyawad. He's trying to say Dhanyawad. Yeah. And you know, sir, I'm trying to learn English language, because being an Indian, we have to communicate in English like you. So I'm trying to improving my English. So that's why I just start to spoke video. Okay. And you are, thank you. And you are from which country?
Finland.
Yeah, the sir is from Finland, and he is visiting in India. So you are in Chandigarh. Where else you have visited in India?
Where else?
Yeah.
Rishikesh.
Rishikesh.
Yes,
Okay.
Delhi.
Okay.
Now we go later on to other cities, which I don't remember the names.
Okay. That's so good.
Yeah.
That's so good. So thank you, sir, for visiting our country. You can see that how the peoples are enjoying here. This is how this waterfall look like. You can see that how beautiful the rocks are carved out to make these beautiful structures. I would like to say one should please visit rock garden if they had a chance to visit Chandigarh. See, these are all the waste product from cup or cutleries we have at a home. We have at home. Here another cave come, and we are going inside the cave.
These are the people of his community. Some of them are rich, some of them are poor. All the animals belong to his community. You can see.
You say thank you thank you.
In Hindi?
Moving ahead towards the dolls museum in phase 2 because I have also never visited this earlier. So let's explore how the place is. Just reached here in the doll museum, but I don't find any dolls here. So let's see what I would find here. There's nothing like a doll here. Another waterfall we can see ahead. You know, when I visited this in 2018, I didn't remember that I have seen so much waterfalls that I'm seeing them in this year, right? Or it may be due to the we had visited here in rainy season, and that time I have visited like in May or April. So a very beautiful waterfall is coming out of here. I think it is a third waterfall I'm seeing right now.